Okay guys, first up here is Lifelike Proto1000, unit number 4080 Canadian Pacific C-liner, or consolidation line. The second unit coming behind it is a B unit, also known as C-liners. I have 4 of these, an ABBA set, but right now I am just running the 2 because I only have sound in the lead and a motor or mobile decoder in the second unit. This is a Digitrax mobile decoder DH126, and the lead is a Soundtraxx AT1000. TCS 3mm LED for the headlight, low beam and a high beam, the bell, and the horn. What I plan to do with the other 2 units, which is also a B and an A, both of those are going to get the same decoder as the lead unit, so I will have a 4-unit set. I will advance consist the 4 of them together, and there'll be a lot of pulling power. My layout is set up in eastern British Columbia, where these units ran from Alberta all the way into to Nelson and even further west. And what I thought I would do is I would get a set of these, and so I have some older cars and I'd like to run a little bit of a backdated train. When I was really young, I remember camping at a place called Christina Lake, and way up on the bluff I'd hear these engines pulling up through the Farron Hill. They're pretty impressive. So these kind of sound a little bit like an Alco, but what they are is they're an opposed piston Fairbanks Morse motor in them. They're very tall, and they have a certain sound about them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unconsist these, and I'm going to go through the notches just to show you how this sounds a little different from the Alco, but close. So what I've done is I've set up F11 braking, and I'm able to notch right in place without moving the unit. You can imagine when I get the other 2 units done, I'm going to have 3 of these 4 making one heck of a noise, and I'm telling you, boy, they really sound nice. I use the bigger speaker that Soundtraxx is offering. It's a full cowl width. I believe it's an 07-8, not the 113 or 112 smaller oval speakers they have. Basically, it's the larger oval speaker. And I had to mill the frame to get this one in there. So that's just 1 unit right now with sound. When I got the 3 of the 4, It's going to be pretty impressive. Hey guys, thanks for watching.